Hey guys, so today I thought I'd just do a quick chat with you about YouTube channels and YouTube videos. I've already gone over a few times in the past about why I think YouTube is probably the best platform for free traffic to your affiliate links or affiliate programs or whatever it is you're promoting. The only problem with YouTube is it's a very, very difficult medium to master, and it takes a long time before you start seeing any results. But so many people on groups I'm in, affiliate marketing groups I'm in, have all said they really want to start doing a channel, but don't know where to start, haven't got the gear to do it, don't have the confidence to do it. And I get that. It's a daunting thing, particularly when you haven't made a video, and I still struggle. I mean, I'm by no means very good at making videos yet. I still struggle to know what to talk about, how to articulate it properly, and I struggle a lot with getting what I'm trying to think to come out my mouth at the same time. But what I've learned is forget all that. Just get on with it. Just do it. This video I'm doing now, I'm sat in my bedroom, I've got a laptop on my knee, I've pressed record and I'm just talking. There'll be very little editing to this. This is practice for me, and this is what you guys should be doing too. Just do it and upload it. Somebody will find it interesting and useful as well. And plus, apart from that, even if not many people watch it, it is showing YouTube that you are trying and you are putting content out there. And without trying and without doing this, you're never going to get good at doing YouTube, and you're never going to improve. You're never going to have a successful channel. So that's what I'm saying, guys, is just hit that record button and just start talking. Doesn't matter what it's about. It depends. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you'll be picking up certain tips, and just say what you know. Just try and put across something, anything, any little tips you might have, any little tricks you've got, or any advice you've heard that you think other people would like to hear. Just put it out there and start. That's the biggest problem with YouTube, is people not actually doing it. The other problem is, obviously, it takes a while before you'll see success. I mean, I've been going now since February, so a good few months now, and the amount of times I've wanted to give up on this because I just think, well, is it worth it? I'm sat here on, where is it, 84? I'll just move this down. 84 subscribers. View count, you can see I'm coming up to 22 hours. I need 4,000 watch time hours before I get monetized, and 1,000 subscribers, so it seems like such a long way off. But to me, being monetized is just a nice little side income, but that's not really why I do it. And anybody that has followed me or watched my previous videos will know that if you look at one of my videos, let's just click any one. So if I click on this, I'm just going to pause it, you don't need to hear the video. You'll see that in my description, I've got affiliate links. So this one here was for TubeBuddy, and if somebody watches this video and likes the idea of TubeBuddy to do their thumbnails, then they can click on this link, get a free trial, and I'll get a little cut of that. It's not much, but down here I also have my main affiliate link, which is my #1 recommended way to make income online. I'm not going to go into this, but if you have a look, you can click it and have a look at my landing page. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to drive traffic here because this is where I make my money. It's where I want to get everybody to click. And it's amazing, really, that I've been doing this for little over 3 or 4 months, and I do get clicks on that, and it's not very much. The amount of clicks I get on this might be about, at the moment, 10 people per week might click on this, but I think that's not too bad considering how many subscribers and how much watch time I get. That's obviously going to get better as things go along. But anyway, I'm veering off track a little bit here. What I wanted to say in this video was just, if you're thinking about starting a channel, or you're on the fence, you know you need to start a channel but you just don't know how to do it and you think it's not for you, forget all that, just go for it. You don't need equipment. I don't have a microphone hooked up here. I'm just using my laptop mic. The sound might not be brilliant, but it's okay, it works for now. And I'm sure as the channel gets better, if the channel gets better, I'll improve that. I'll buy a microphone, I'll buy lights. Just make sure you light yourself well. I'm sat in front of a window over here, and that puts light on my face so that you can hear what I'm saying. I'm in a nice quiet room, so there's not a lot to interfere with the sounds, and that's all you need. I'm using, like I said, at the minute I use the laptop, the camera on there, and sometimes I use my iPhone to record if I'm outside or if I want a different perspective, and that's it. So I haven't invested any equipment in YouTube. I just press record and talk, and that's all you guys need to do too. So if you like this video and you want to see more, hit the subscribe, because it does help me out as I'm trying to build the channel, and you'll be able to see how my channel's improving and how things are going for me. Plus, you'll also get my affiliate marketing tips. Okay, thanks. Bye.